Hello everyone, in this video we are going to prove sin pi by 14 minus sin 3 pi by 14 plus sin 5 pi by 14 to be equal to 1 by 2. Okay, we know that sin x is equal to cos 90 degree minus x, that means cos pi by 2 minus x. So we use this concept to express each sin term in the form of cos. Okay, as you can see here, sin pi by 14 can be written as cos pi by 2 minus pi by 14, which on further taking LCM and further simplification can take the form of cos 3 pi by 7. Similarly, sin 3 pi by 14 can be written as cos pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 14, and by taking LCM we can write this as 4 pi by 14, which is nothing but cos 2 pi by 7. Similarly, sin 5 pi by 14 can be written as cos pi by 2 minus 5 pi by 14, which on further simplification and by taking LCM we can express this as cos 2 pi by 14, which is nothing but cos pi by 7. Also, the term sin 3 pi by 14 is negative, so in order to make it positive we have to express cos 2 pi by 7 in other form, which can also be written as cos pi minus 5 pi by 7. Okay, and this value will be equal to minus cos 5 pi by 7. And now putting all these value in the left hand side, we get cos 3 pi by 7 minus cos 2 pi by 7 plus cos pi by 7, and the value of cos 2 pi by 7 is also taken as minus cos 5 pi by 7. So both minus become positive and overall expression can be written as in positive notation, positive form, and we can also write cos pi by 7 plus cos 3 pi by 7 plus cos 5 pi by 7. And now we are going to use a concept, that means we are going to multiply this term by sin pi by 7. Why I am doing this, it will become clear after some time. Okay, and now by multiplying all these three terms by sin pi by 7, we can see here every term is multiplied by sin pi by 7, and also we have to multiply by 2 and divide by 2 so that it can take the form, and we can use the formulas to sin A cos B, which is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Okay, and when we use this formula, then the above expression can take the form as you can see here. Okay, and which on further simplification take the form of just like you can see here. Okay, now by adding and subtracting all these terms we can get the above expression just like here as you can see. And now there are many terms which are equal but opposite in the symbol. Okay, so these terms will be cancelled out and we get only the term sin 6 pi by 7. Other term will be cancelled out. Okay, as you can see here, minus sin 2 pi by 7 will be cancelled out by plus sin 2 pi by 7. Similarly, sin 4 pi by 7, which is negative, is cancelled out by the positive term sin 4 pi by 7. Okay, similarly the value of sin 0 degree 0, as I already written here, only we have left with 1 by 2 into sin 6 pi by 7, which on further simplification can take the form of sin pi by 7. But we have already multiplied this term, so we have to divide the given expression also in order to balance it, and finally we get the value is 1 by 2, which is right hand side. Okay, this is the right hand side of the given expression. Thanks for watching.